on, cancer, let's walk outside. Breathe the autumn air. See the many that ever lived and died. See the unending golden state. See all of us that have come behind, clutching at your hand, all the way from Arkansas to your sweet and last amen. Well, let the bells ring. Here's the real thing. Let the bells ring. Here's the real thing. Take this deafening thunder down. Take this bread and take this wine. Your passing is not what we mourn, but the world you've left behind. Well, do not breathe or make a sound, and behold your mighty work. The towers over the unclearing ground of a lesser, darker world. Well, let the bells ring. Here's the real thing. Let the bells ring. Here's the real thing. Not fit to tie the laces of your shoes, must remain behind to testify to an elementary blues. So let's walk outside, the hours late, through your crumbs and scattered shells, where the odd and the mediocre wait. You barely fit to ring the bells. Well,